Hi, my name is Sagal, and this is Ali, Jelzin, and Ryan. Our robot is called the Strap. It is, we made it strictly for fun and just to kind of team build and work together. We use the RoboLink turret. So we chose the RoboLink because of the fact that it allowed us to do up to 11 different kinds of robots. We chose the turret to allow us to kind of engage with each other and have fun. We use the C programming language to program it as well. And we split up each functions to make sure that everyone did the same amount of coding and put in the same amount of effort.
So let's get into the nitty-gritty of the code. In order to, call on these functions, we had to use the Smart Inventor library, which is what the board is called. It's called the Smart Inventor. And first thing we did was declare the motor use in the setup. And then we declared the integer variables for the left and the right, and the sensors for movement and aiming the rubber band stuff. And then this is more code for the sensors. So you can see.
Yeah. So on our Smart Inventor board, you can actually see there are 3 sensors. There's one on the left, one in the middle, one on the right. And within our code, you can see our loop and our intervals for the left center sensor and the right sensor. And when you put your hand in front of these sensors, it'll detect the movement and it'll convert that into the code. And on these if statements, if the sensor detects movement within the front of the sensors, it'll put the value in the program.
And when we give a demonstration, you guys will be able to see how we engage the sensors on both sides to direct it and also to disengage the rubber band.
So for this project, the pros and cons is we get to use the coding knowledge we had learned from the first mod during Caddy's class, and then the cons is it has a steep learning curve. Like it's hard to do the whole coding thing, especially like just learning JavaScript during Caddy's class. So you have to convert those fundamental knowledge into the Arduino language. And the difficulties our face group is finding the right library, because you all know that we need the library to access the pre-built functions from the board itself. So yeah, we had a difficult time to finding the libraries in the internet so we could use the codes.
All right, so let's get into the demonstration. Let's turn it on. That's how you move it to the left. There's a IR sensor right here, and it reads when there's a hand there, and then
Sometimes you gotta turn it off.
hey, when this happens, Oh, oops. That's not it.
Did you mean to launch that?
Just now? No, that happens sometimes.
It's very specific to where your hand placement is. You could put it about halfway between the right and say the center sensor, and then it could register it as the center sensor, which triggers the wheel to fire the rubber band.
Yeah, let's reload that. Try this. Oops. Why doesn't this work?
Okay, so your target is going to be there. So let's load one more time.
Turn it off.
I think your robot's offended.
We should clear any area behind the robot so it doesn't sense anything.
I don't know why the right sensor is bugging out right now.
Okay, so I'm going to focus in on your target.
All right, now we're going to trigger the center sensor.
No,
That was a misfire.
it's like, yeah, it's like that. We were never this bad before. We did this so many times.
It's a bit tedious work.
Has a mind of its own.
It's like putting on the rubber band was harder than programming it, you know? It's not.
One more time.
At least it's
An eye? Oh my gosh.
So that's like 15
I'll make
points, so
this,
that's
um,
good, right? So in conclusion, it was fun.
Signing a waiver to come to college.
In conclusion, we made something that was, it was as fun to make as it is to use, and yeah, that's how we feel about it.
It was great working together.